This is a pattern question which you will see there is 3 girls between every 2 boys, which means if you were to draw out the pattern, it will look like this. With 1 boy here, there is 3 girls, and then there is another boy, and then another 3 girls, and another boy, and another 3 girls, and so on. The pattern goes on until the end that ends with a boy, because it's every 2 boys. So the question becomes complicated only because of this word, at least, which means there can be a question mark over here that can consist of more than 3 girls. Given that there is only 1 total that is given to us and that there is an option of at least 3 girls, which means it can be 4, it can be 5, and so on, the only way to do this will be guess and check. How do we guess? How do we check? Very simple. Because this is an MCQ question, we can actually start with all the options over here. Okay, option number 1, if there is 32 boys minus the 1 at the back, notice that the pattern stops before the boy, before the boy, before the boy. This is a pattern. If we are saying there is only 32 largest number of boys, the 1 boy at the back will not form a pattern, which means there is 31 sets of patterns. We will be able to get 31 times the minimum number of girls, which is at least 3, to be 93 girls. This option is alarming because the total is only 80. This option number 1 is out. Option number 2, we have 20 boys. Is that possible? Given the same assumption, 20 minus the 1 boy at the end, which means that will be 19 sets of the pattern. 19 sets of the pattern will give us how many girls? 19 sets times 3 will give us 57 girls. This seems plausible because there is 57 girls plus 20 boys, which gives us 77 students, which means I have 3 more students, which can most likely be the question mark. 80 minus 77 gives me 3 girls remainder. So is 20 a possible number to be the largest number of boys in the queue? Yes, 20 is acceptable. Do we still need to look at 17 and 16? They are smaller than 20, and the question is asking for the largest number of boys. So we can easily skip 3 and 4. We know that 1 is wrong. Therefore, the answer is answer 2, which is 20 boys.